artist here with us today. She came all the way from Manipur to perform for us. She has also performed in some of the biggest stages, from state-level platforms to major festivals like Barak, Lui Ngai Ni and Sangai. She has also opened for international rock legends like Queensryche, Nazareth, and even shared stages with Steelheart. Ladies and gentlemen, please give it up for the incredible Alamle Heraang.
Okay, good evening everyone. Happy Vedaoyu Nii Mashulai. Okay, I memorized that thanks to my friends. Okay, so this first song I'm gonna sing, I'm gonna dedicate this song to the gym guys. Love on the brain. Yeah. It's a trial, okay? And you got me like, ooh, what you want from me? And I try to buy your pretty heart, but the price too high. Baby, you got me like, oh, you love when I fall apart, so you can pull me together and throw me against the wall. Baby, you got me like, don't you stop loving me, don't quit loving me, just stop loving me. And baby, I'm fist fighting with fire just to get close to you. Can we burn something, baby? And I run for miles just to get a taste. Must be love on the brain that's got me feeling this way. It beats me black and blue, but it did me so good, and I can't get enough. Must be love on the brain, yeah. And it's me feeling this way. No matter what I do, I'm not good without you, and I can't get enough. Must be love on the brain. Baby, keep loving me. That's all you need to do is love me. All you need to do is love me. And got me like, oh. I'm tired of being playing like a violin. What do I gotta do to get in your motherfucking heart? Baby, like, don't you stop loving me, don't quit loving me, just stop loving me. Baby, I'm fist fighting with fire just to get close to you. Baby, and I run for miles just to get a taste. Must be love on the brain, and it's got me feeling this way. It beats me black and blue, but it did me so good, and I can't get enough. Must be love on the brain, and it's got me feeling this way. No matter what I do, I'm not good without you, and I can't get enough. Must be love on the brain. Okay, so this next song, I've learned the song just recently. Yeah. Okay, it's a song by Adele. If you're a fan of James Bond, you might know the song.
The song's called Skyfall. I might make some mistakes. Yeah. Since I've learned this recently only, if I make any mistakes, it's your fault.
This is the end. Hold your breath and count to 10. Feel the earth moving then. Hear my heart burst again. For this is the end. I've dreamt and drowned this moment. So overdue, I owe them. Swept away, I'm stolen. Let the sky fall. When it crumbles, we will stand tall and face it all together. Let the sky fall. When it crumbles, we will stand tall and face it all together. Let sky fall. Let sky fall. Skyfall is where we start. 1,000 miles and poles apart. The world collides in days of dark. You can have my number, you can take my name, sing, but you never have my heart. Let the sky fall. When it crumbles, we'll stand tall and face it all together. Let the sky fall. When it crumbles, we'll stand tall and face it all together. Let sky fall. Thank you.
Okay, so let's go to the next song. It's one of my personal favorite. I sing this everywhere I go. It's a song called Cry Baby. Told the liars. Oh, honey, I know she told you that she loved you much more than I did. But all I know is that she left you, and it's fair that you just don't know why. But you know, I'll always be around. So if you ever want me, come on, hit cry. Don't you know
eliminated Kathmandu. Yeah, the rock will eliminate Kathmandu. You can go all around the world, baby, trying to find something to do with your life, baby. Listen, man, but you only got to do one thing well. You only do one thing well in this life. You got a woman waiting for you there, and all you ever gotta do is be a good man one time to one woman, and that will be the end of the road, right? I know you got more juice to share, baby. So come on, come on, come on, come on, and cry, cry, baby, cry, baby. And if you ever feel a little lonely there, I want you to come on to your mama now, yeah. So if you ever need a little love from a woman, I want you to come on. And baby, 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 and cry. Okay, I've got one last track, and the next song I want to dedicate the song to you all. The song is called "Don't Stop Believin'." Yeah. It's been played a lot before as a instrumental break. Just a small town girl living in a lonely world. Look the midnight train going anywhere. Just a city boy, born and raised in South Detroit. It took the midnight train going anywhere. I wouldn't mind if you sing along to this song. Singer in a smoky room, smell of wine and cheap perfume. For a smile they could share tonight. It goes on and on and on and on. Say, strangers waiting up and down.